In this video, let me show you how you can add music to the iPhone photo. So I'm going to open up the gallery, and to make changes to the photos, we have to go to the collections, and at the top you can see memories, right? So the photos which are turned into a slideshow with music are part of this memories section. So just go there and choose any of the available memories, right? You can scroll through them and find whichever thing you want. You click on something and you can see a couple of different photos and videos put together. If you click on the play button, it's gonna create a slideshow and a fun little presentation. But the point is that in the bottom left corner, we now have the music icon. So you can click on music and you can change it to something else, right? So you can see the current one is this one at the bottom, but I can click on it and expand it and choose from other options. So as you can see, some suggestions or whatever would fit from the Apple Music, right? So you can just add something which would make sense. So right now, if I click on some music, I can add it to my memory collaboration like this. So you can make it go like this, but in my case, I have to give the photos access to music to make sure it works, but you get my point. That's how you can make that work and change and add music. If you want to be, however, really specific with it, you can also get a video editor like CapCut, where you can literally import your photos and videos into the timeline and literally create your own edit, right? So as you can see, I can add a video in here, and below I can add my own sounds, my own music or sound effects. And that is for the situation, as I said, when you want to be very specific. So if you don't want to be limited by anything, use a video editor like this one, import your own sounds from the files or wherever else you have them available, and then you'll have a very custom setup with your own music. So that's how you're going to do this. You can definitely export it like that. But I'm going to wrap up the video right now. Thanks a lot. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.